Math61. I just wanted to stop by and let you know that I did read everyone's introduction, although I didn't have the time to reply to everybody, and I normally do. I just didn't have time to do it this semester, and because of that, I figured I would make a little video letting you see me and kind of get a face to the name and make that connection with you. It really kind of bums me out that I didn't get an opportunity to reply to everybody, and that is my normal thing to do with an online class, so you know that I'm out there. This semester, I'm teaching quite a few classes, and like you, I'm a student. I'm a student up at Cal State Monterey Bay, if you didn't read my introduction. I'm in my second semester of 4 of my second master's program, and they just had me really super busy, and I thought I had blocked out some time to reply to everybody's intro, and that time got eaten up by Monterey Bay. So I apologize for that. I will try to do a better job at making that individual contact with each and every one of you. But there is a way that you can get a hold of me very easy in the event that you have a problem with any of your math homework. Probably, maybe about half of you have had experience with XYZ, so I'm kind of talking to the other half that has not had that XYZ experience. So let me pull up the XYZ environment and talk a little bit about it. My environment might look a little different than yours, but overall it's the same. Up on the top here, if you need any of the video lectures while you're in XYZ, and these are my video lectures, then you can just click on the link to the YouTube channel. And on here, you'll see all of the videos, and I believe on your side, you should be able to get to the playlist for all of the videos. Oh, Lordy, stop that instructor from talking. You can scroll down the list, see if you need any of the videos. They're all right here on this playlist. So that is the video lecture side of this course. But in XYZ, you have an opportunity to see their lecture on a particular problem. So let's say I want to go into homework 1.1. I click on the day that it's due. I click on 1.1, and I'm inside the problem. If I have any questions and I want to read the ebook, I'm just going to click on the ebook portion, and that section of the book will pop up. Some questions will also have a mini video link that you can watch. Now, they're pretty good about linking the right video to the button to the problem, but I have had some complaints to students that occasionally those are off. It's okay. It should give you a good enough concept of the problem to get through the problem. But if the ebook doesn't do it for you and the video doesn't do it for you, you'll want to click on this post question to forum. That posts publicly so everybody can see that you need help with that question, but more importantly, I see that you need help on that question. I do welcome any of the students in the class to jump in there and help. I will always back up your answer with, yeah, you're absolutely correct, and then give my opinion. Or I will say, hey, why don't you try this? If I think there's another way or a more efficient way of doing a problem, I'll share that as well. But I will always back up students and say, yeah, you're absolutely correct. So you have peace of mind that that student answered your question correctly. So posting the question to the forum gives a lot of benefits. If you were just to message me, clicking on a message and send me personally a message, I don't see what question that you're talking about. You would have to retype the question for me to see it because everybody's questions are different. And if you just said, hey, I need question on 1.1 number 9, I have to go looking for that question. So to save us both a lot of time, if you click post this question to forum, it repeats the question, which is great. Up here on top, please give me some sign of where you're lost. You can even say, I just don't know where to start. That will give me enough information to get you rolling. If you have made it through some of your problem and you say, I'm just stuck on this last step, let me know that too so I don't go through the whole problem. I try not to disseminate answers, and I request that all of you that are going to answer other students, just don't say the answer is 3. It doesn't help anybody. If you're going to help somebody work through the problem, Give them some guidance. You can say, hey, this problem is an order of operation, and you can share with them PEMDAS and explain what PEMDAS or the order of operations is. That will help them. Just by saying what the answer is, and the answer here is what, 23 or something like that, then that doesn't give them any idea on what you did. So either show them the method, if you're going to help, give them the head start of where to look in terms of like this is order of operation, and give them a head start on okay, you would do, this has subtraction and addition, so you just do them from left to right. That would be extremely helpful. But don't just give the answer. It doesn't help anybody. I tend to remove those when I see them, just because it's not a place just to disseminate answers, it's a place to be helpful. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you in this video. And well, until next time, be seeing you.